Welcome to day 7 of Blender Tricks by Josh, a series of tricks I've used to create some of my favourite projects. Today we're looking at how I hid render layers to create this popping effect. I started with a background on this table plane where I blocked out my animation. 3 cubes sliding across the shot like this. Next I brought in the models, 3 coffee cups in the 3 different flavours of rods. I labelled each cup and parented them to their own cube, then hid the cups and did the same for the rods bottles. With everything all unhidden, the shot looks like this. Believe it or not, this is nearly finished. In the graph editor I figured out when I wanted each cup to disappear. This is a 60 frames per second shot, so every 20 frames worked well. I selected the first cup, came to frame 80 and pressed I while hovering over this camera icon. This icon controls visibility in the final render. When it's on, the object is shown, and when it's off, the object's hidden. I went 1 frame forward, blocked the icon and hit I to key it. Then I did the same for the remaining cups 20 frames apart. For the bottles we want the same logic, but as they're being revealed rather than hidden, this will be reversed. I selected the first bottle and on the last visible frame of the corresponding cup, I keyed the blocked out camera icon. Then 1 frame later switched it to visible and hit I to key. Again I did the same for each bottle. For the final touch I went around 30 frames later and keyed the rotation and Z location. Back at the appearing frames I raised the bottles, rotated them randomly and keyed. After playing around with the graph editor the bottles look like this. I rendered this out and boom, a seamless pop-in effect. That's it for day 7. Let me know what you'd like to see in a future episode and I'll see you next time. Adios.